Hi there, welcome to Thursday's market commentary for the close of day on Thursday, July 24th. Well, we've got to take a look here. We see that it was a pretty strong day today with the S&P up 22, NASDAQ up 47, Dow up 188, and most of it came right as we came right through here past this 950 support level. Everybody was really expecting some kind of a pullback right through here, and then we had slightly positive news. Wasn't anything completely major, but we had the housing sales come out, and they weren't quite as bad as everybody thought they were going to be, just maybe a little bit better, and the market rallied. And because we moved above this 950, and that was a pretty good resistance, and we had already had quite a few updates, you had a lot of short sellers that got caught in what's called a short squeeze, which means that people had already begun selling and shorting the marketplace to the downside, think that it was going to drop. And when the news went above that, all those people who had shorted or sold had to buy back their positions to cover their positions, which caused extra buying on top of the buying that was already happening as we were breaking resistance. So we had a little bit of a movement to the upside there with a short squeeze. So what that now does, it puts our resistance level up here at around 1,000, coming across here, right up through here. Puts our resistance come across here, right here at 1,000 level. So we're going to see if we start to pull back at that level through there. MACDs are just slightly bullish right up through here, but I wouldn't expect too much further to go here before we see a little bit of pullback. We've had just some incredibly strong buying here in the last 2 weeks or so, 3 weeks. So it's about time someone locks in a little bit of profit taking, just through logic, to say nothing goes up forever. So if you have a decent profit, you better start locking in some profit or putting in a stop loss to cover those positions. So I'm going to say that resistance right now is at 1,000 and support's down here. At first level support here at about 950, and if we break 950, then down here at about 888, right in through here, 888 level. So first level support 950, which could easily be broken on a pullback. So we're going to call real support down here 888 to 900, right in through there. And we'll say that we are short-term bullish up to the 1,000 level, and then after that, really probably a little more neutral. So we are expecting a pullback, nothing major, which will put us more in a neutral marketplace. So let's go ahead and take a look at the NASDAQ and see what that one's looking like for us. Alright, here's our NASDAQ. You can see it too broke out to the upside, looking pretty strong. Our next resistance is right here, this next logical number here, which is 2,000, and that's only about 27 points away. So resistance at 2,000. Support down here at about 1860, which is right in this little section right there. We'll call that one 1860 for our support level. MACDs are heading higher because we broke out today to slight uptrend here, so I would think that another 27 points, we hit 2,000, nice logical round number for the resistance level, and then we're likely to see a pullback. We have, however, had 12, almost 13 days now of an uptrend, which is we've now beat the record, which is set back in January of 1992. So we had a 17-year record that we just beat for the most number of consecutive up days in a row on the NASDAQ. And most of that's caused by the earnings season we're in right now. A lot of positive earnings news coming out. Nothing so major that's just fantastic, but it's just less bad than it has been in the past, which is causing a little bit of a rally here. But we know that nothing goes up forever, so after setting a new 17-year record, we're bound to see a little bit of profit taking. So that would tell me if we hit 2,000, start to pull back, next support level here at 1860, right around through here. If we hit this level and start to bounce back up, that would be another buy signal. But wait for it to hit resistance, pull back to support, and see what it does at support. Do we break it to the downside? Then of course we go slightly bearish, but if we just pull back to support, start to bounce, it'd be a nice entrance signal for us to jump back in. All right, hope that helps, and good luck with your trades this week.